Hello, dear students. Welcome to Learn with Olivia. I am Olivia. If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode is just for you. Let's go. Good morning, kids. Time to wake up.
Mom, I'm still sleepy. Can I have 5 more minutes, please?
No, sweetheart. If you sleep more, you'll be late for school. Come on, sit up.
Mom, can you open the curtains? It's too dark.
Sure, let me open them. See, the sun is shining. A new day is waiting for you.
Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine.
Good morning, Dad. Morning, Dad. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Did you both sleep well too?
Yes, Dad. I had a nice dream. I didn't want to wake up, but now I feel better.
That's good. Dreams are like little stories we see when we sleep.
Dad, what does dream mean exactly?
A dream is something you see or imagine when you are sleeping. For example, last night you said you saw a rainbow in your dream.
Oh, yes. So a dream means something we see when we sleep.
Very good, Emma. Now come on, both of you. Go wash your face and brush your teeth.
Mom, can I use the strawberry toothpaste today?
Yes, that one is yours. Don't forget to rinse your mouth after brushing.
Dad, my toothbrush is old. The bristles are bent.
Okay, I'll buy a new one today. For now, use this one carefully. Remember, brush up and down, not too fast.
Dad, what does bristles mean?
Good question. Bristles are the small, thin hairs on your toothbrush that help clean your teeth.
Oh, I see. Like tiny fingers that clean.
Exactly, Jack. That's a very smart way to say it.
Look, Dad, I'm brushing my teeth properly.
Good job, Emma. Keep it up.
Jack, wash your face with soap, please.
The water is cold, Mom.
That's okay. Cold water helps you wake up faster.
Can I use the towel now?
Yes, dear. Dry your face with the towel. Do you both feel fresh now?
Yes, Mom. I feel fresh and clean. Me too. I feel awake now. Dad, where's my school uniform?
I think it's on the chair in your room. Did you check there?
Oh yes. I found it. Thanks, Dad. Mom, can you help me fix my collar?
Of course. Come here. Let's make you look smart and ready for school.
Mom, what does smart mean?
Smart means looking neat, clean, and nice. For example, when you wear your uniform properly, you look smart.
Oh, so clean and tidy means smart.
That's right, dear. Now, both of you, put on your shoes.
Kids, don't forget your homework notebooks.
Already in my bag, Dad. Mine too. I even packed my crayons.
Well done, both of you.
Breakfast is ready. Come to the table, everyone.
It smells delicious. What did you make today, honey?
I made pancakes, scrambled eggs, and some fresh orange juice.
Yay! Pancakes. My favorite. Mom, what does scrambled mean?
Scrambled means mixed up while cooking. For example, scrambled eggs are mixed eggs cooked in a pan.
Oh, so scrambled means mixed.
That's right, Jack.
Dad, can you pass me the syrup, please?
Sure, here you go. Good manners, Emma. You said please. That's very polite.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Dad, I forgot to say please.
That's okay, Jack. You remembered now. Always say please when you ask for something and thank you when you receive it.
Okay, Dad. I'll remember that.
That's called good manners, kids. Good manners make people happy and show respect.
Mom, what does respect mean?
Respect means showing care and kindness to others. For example, when you listen to your teacher carefully, you show respect.
Oh, like when I listen to you and Dad, that's respect too?
Exactly, sweetie.
I finished my juice. Can I have some more, Mom?
Sure, but drink slowly. Don't rush.
And remember to chew your food well. It helps your tummy.
Tummy means stomach, right, Dad?
Yes, that's right. Tummy is a friendly word for stomach.
Oh, I thought tummy was just for babies.
No, everyone can say tummy.
Okay, everyone, breakfast is almost done. Time to clean up the table.
Mom, can I help?
Of course, dear. You can take the plates to the sink.
And I'll wipe the table.
Thank you, my helpers.
That's teamwork.
Teamwork means working together, right, Dad?
Exactly. When people help each other to finish a job, that's teamwork. Like today, we're all working together to clean up.
Oh, that's nice. Teamwork makes everything easy. Yeah, teamwork makes dreams work.
Well said, Jack.
Okay, everyone, time to get ready for school now.
Kids, do you have your bags and water bottles?
Yes, Mom. I also packed my lunch. I have everything too, Mom. My notebook, crayons, and snack box.
That's great. Let's wear our shoes and get ready to go.
Dad, can you tie my shoelaces, please?
Sure, sweetheart. But you should learn to tie them yourself too.
I'm trying, Dad. It's a little hard.
Don't worry. Hard things become easy when we practice.
So, practice means doing something again and again?
Exactly, Jack. When you do something many times to get better at it, that's called practice.
Like when I practice reading every day.
Yes, very good example.
Everyone ready? Let's go.
Mom, I feel a little nervous about today's test.
Oh, sweetheart, it's okay to feel nervous sometimes.
Mom, what does nervous mean?
Nervous means when you feel a little scared or worried before doing something. For example, before a test or before speaking on stage.
Oh, I felt nervous before my drawing competition too.
That's right, Jack. But remember, being nervous shows that you care. Just take a deep breath and do your best.
Okay, Dad. I'll try to stay calm.
That's my girl. Be confident and believe in yourself.
Confident means believing in myself, right?
Exactly. When you think, I can do it, that's confidence.
So if I say, I can draw well, that means I'm confident?
Yes, Jack. Perfect.
Both of you are learning so well today. I'm proud of you.
Mom, Dad, we're here. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Have a great day, my loves.
Learn something new, and be kind to your friends.
Okay, Dad. I'll tell you everything when I get home. Me too. I'll show you my drawing.
We'll be waiting. Bye-bye.
Welcome home, kids. how was school today?
It was great, Mom. We had an English quiz, and I think I did well. I drew a big house with a garden in art class.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. Emma, what was the quiz about?
It was about verbs and nouns. What are verbs and nouns, Dad?
Good question, Jack. A noun is a name of a person, place, or thing, like dog, school, or Emma. A verb is an action word, like run, jump, or eat.
Oh, so when I say, I run fast, run is the verb, right?
Exactly. And I is a pronoun, another grammar word we'll learn later.
Very nice learning today. Now go freshen up, wash your hands, and get ready for homework.
Okay, Mom. Mom, can I do my homework at the dining table?
Sure, dear. But keep your books neat and your handwriting clean.
Dad, can you help me spell the word beautiful?
Of course, Jack. It's spelled beautiful.
That's a long word.
Yes, it is. But do you know what beautiful means?
It means something that looks very nice.
That's right. For example, a rainbow is beautiful. Or when someone is kind and helpful, we can also say they have a beautiful heart.
Oh, so beauty is not just about looks. It can be about being kind too.
Exactly, Emma.
Okay, kids. Today let's learn one new word together, responsible.
What does responsible mean, Mom?
Responsible means taking care of your things and doing what you should do. For example, finishing your homework or keeping your toys in the right place.
So when I finish my homework on time, I'm being responsible?
Exactly.
And when Jack keeps his crayons organized, that's responsible too.
Yay! Then I'm responsible.
Yes, you are.
Great job, kids. Homework done, new words learned. Now let's have some fruit.
Can I have an apple, Mom? I want a banana.
Good choices. Fruits make you strong and healthy.
Dad, what does healthy mean?
Healthy means your body feels good and strong because you eat good food and play. For example, eating fruits, drinking water, and sleeping well keep you healthy.
So, chocolate is not healthy?
Not always, Jack. A little is fine, but too much is not good.
Okay, I'll eat my apple first.
That's my smart girl. Dinner is ready. Come to the table, everyone.
It smells delicious, Mom. What's for dinner today?
We're having rice, vegetables, and grilled chicken.
And a little soup too, it's good for your health.
Dad, what does grilled mean?
Grilled means cooked over heat, like on a pan or grill. It makes the food soft inside and a little crispy outside.
Oh, like when we make sandwiches on the toaster.
Exactly, Jack. That's grilling too.
All right, let's say thank you before we eat.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
You're welcome, kids. Enjoy your meal. So, how was your day at school today?
I got full marks on my English quiz.
That's wonderful, Emma. I'm proud of you.
And I helped my friend pick up his pencils when they fell.
That's so kind, Jack. Helping others is a beautiful thing.
Mom, what does kind mean?
Kind means being nice and helpful to others. For example, when you share your toys or help a friend, you're being kind.
Oh, like when Emma helped me find my shoes.
That's right. Kindness makes the world a better place. Okay, kids. It's bedtime. Go brush your teeth again.
Dad, can you tell us a short story before we sleep?
Of course. Once there was a little bird who learned to fly because she believed in herself. Every time she fell, she tried again. That's how she became strong.
So she didn't give up, right, Dad?
Exactly. Don't give up means keep trying, even when something is hard.
Like when I practiced tying my shoelaces.
Yes, Emma. That's the spirit.
Good night, my sweet children. Sleep well.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. I'll dream about flying birds.
Sweet dreams, kids.
Today we learned about being responsible, kind, confident, and working as a team.
Every small action, helping, learning, or smiling, makes you a better person every day.